Remember who you are. Don't ever forget who you are. And drugs will do that to you. They'll make you forget who you are. They'll start making you believe that you're someone else. You'll just get to a point where you just feel sort of like you've wasted your life.
Paranoia got me anxious when I think of sativa. Confused visions of me bleeding out the reefer.
The insecurity of when you're around people, like what they think of you. So like they might think you're a big drug addict, so I'll go smoke some more.
Just stay, and maybe we can just something. Don't leave, you know we can have a blaze.
Yeah, I cover up my problems with alcohol and drugs, and it only works for maybe that night.
In my life, yeah, living with the pain and strife, pulling out the knives, now the evil has arrived.
I felt a bit hazy, like imagine myself stoned, like not sure where I'm going to go in life sort of thing.
You got tastes like sweet honey. Gotta find the right chick. Never forget who you are. Never forget who you are.